What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX weekly focused. All right, guys. So, thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. We're now at, I think, 522 subscribers here, and we're looking forward to hitting 1,000 subscribers. So, guys, remember to show some love by liking this video, by hitting on the subscribe button, and also by leaving us a comment. So, share as well, and yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. I believe you can hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm looking at the first pair today is Euro AUD, and what I'm looking for is, you can see that on Euro AUD we are coming from a bigger double bottom. You can see that once the market came to this level over here, we are actually expecting a reaction, and the market started moving. Impulse move, correction, impulse move. We are not actually on a corrective phase, of which I'm anticipating for an impulse maybe to target either this level over here or that level over there. But let's just leave this one over here. And also you can see that this is, looking like a what? Like a W pattern, even though this one is quite corrective, of course, corrective so that once you get there, then it can actually move back like that. So that's the weekly time frame. So let's move on to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, definitely we had this market had that trend line over there. So I did put my trend line over there, because the market has been very, very, very corrective to the upside. Of course, once we had our three touches, 1, 2, 3, then look, it's been quite corrective to the downside, and it's almost like giving us a what? Giving us a structure like this, and then I'm actually anticipating a move to the upside. I'm actually currently on this trade over here, and what I'm doing is I'm seeing if this market could come all the way to this level, or maybe to this level, before it could actually come, before now it moves down like that. Okay, but of course I'm risking only 0.05 percent. Okay, let's move further down to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see now the structure is very clear. We had a breakout, market came all the way to this level, then it's come to this level over here, then it's been quite corrective. All right, so what I was thinking is that this market could also be giving us this, like that, before it actually breaks out. But I'm also looking at this gap over here, that this market was not able to fill this gap. I'm looking if this market could come all the way and fill this gap before it moves to the downside. So from the 1-hour time frame, you can see that let me take this one out. You can see that from the 1-hour time frame, once this market got to this level over here, I was actually expecting can see we've had a double bottom here. We had a reaction over here, came all the way to respect this trend line, then there was a movement to the upside, then there's been several reactions on that level over there. All right, and then you can see also here is giving us some sort of like a pattern over there. So I also see if this can break out and just move to the upside. First target is this level, and then second target is that level over there. That's what I'm looking for on a Euro AUD. I have a 35 pip stop loss, and you can see my first target, my target 7.96. I think the first target here is around 6.3, 6.39. So I'm holding this to see how this is gonna play out. I want to see during the New York session, if maybe after all this consolidation, because you can see that we are looking at from the 1-hour time frame, we're looking at maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, around 14 hours of consolidation. Don't as if during the New York session this market will just break out and move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for on Euro AUD. Okay, let's go to the next page. It is CADJPY. CADJPY, let's start from the daily time frame. So this is a trade that I actually I think I came out somewhere around here. It ended up playing. I was actually anticipating once we were here. We were actually anticipating for this market to come all the way to this level, and this is a level whereby we wanted to see what reaction the market will give to us. All right, and as you can see that once it got here, it's actually sort of like reversing to the going back to the upside. So let's maybe take this out, all this. Then you can see that we have this over here, one touch, second touch. Definitely I'm looking to see if this market can come and give us a third touch. Can see also this one looks like a what? Like a W pattern, and also this is a clean what? Clean double bottom for us to now just move to the upside. If you look at it from the weekly time frame, let's see what is giving us on the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, definitely we are looking for what? Let's see. Okay, we want to see certain reaction in certain places. Once the market reaches that, maybe this level over here. These are several levels of interest to us, because every time the market reaches those levels, there's some sort of what? There's some sort of reaction. So definitely the first one, which is this one, the market has already broken out of that. So I want to see how the market is going to behave on this particular level over here, or on this level over there. So you see that and then it's been quite corrective to the upside, just move all the way to the upside, then come back here. All right, but definitely, I'm actually anticipating to see a what? To see a third touch for I'll be interested in. Maybe may sell to the downside, but that means that we can actually start looking for buying opportunities to the upside, though that's a weekly time frame. So we come down to the daily time frame. Then what you can do is and take this back a bit like that, so it's clear for us. Then let's use this tool over here, to just do that. You can see. And let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what is giving to us. Okay, it's clean like that, as you can see. All right, you can see it's very, I don't know if this one is too much to enter here. I don't think it's wise to enter there, because you see very big stop loss. What you can do is you can wait to see if maybe this market could come again, because you see here, look at this. We were waiting to see if for you to confirm this, something like this. Okay, I wanted to use this. You can see it's been quite, yeah, something like that before we are interested in what? In buys. Or you can just wait for it to come back, give us a what? A clean double bottom before now we do what? Before now we start buying to the upside. Okay. Otherwise entering here is not wise at all. At all, at all, at all. And see these lower lows that have formed here. If we clone that and bring it somewhere around there, yeah, so you can see, even though it shows that as if it has actually broken out of that. See, broken out, moving out very well. So what I'll do is that I'll definitely wait for it to come back and do a reset, so I can minimize my stop loss. You can see that my stop loss is going to be somewhere around here. Can wait for it somewhere around there, this level around 29 pips, and definitely this will be my first target here, around 6.94 Then the overall move I'm looking for is what? 16%. So I want to see if this market will come and then move to the upside before I'll be what? Before I'll be interested in buying into the upside. Okay, that's what I'm looking for on CADJPY. Okay, let's just leave it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on CADJPY. And as you can see, even if you go back to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that the overall is this is actually the place, but you see, you can be able to swing this all the way here. You're looking at a possible even 27.36%. Definitely, you'll be taking profits along the way, somewhere around here. You can take profit around here, you can take profit around here, take profit around here, and in all these levels are levels of interest where take you can take profit. Okay, let's move to our next, which is CADCHF. And if you go to the daily time frame on CADCHF, you can see that we had a very clean structure over here, which broke out. Definitely we were targeting this level, and if you can see, the level has been completed. We want to see, this market could come back, okay, or it could do what? It could actually just you know do that and just continue with the movement to the downside. We are not fixated on saying that definitely because it has come to this double bottom here, it has now to reverse and go back. There is nothing like that. So you can see this, yeah, clean. Of course, we were expecting to see a reaction once we got over here, and you can see broke out and then it has come back. Let's see what's giving us on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, that's what I was talking about. You see that there's this structure over there, and then you clone that, place it up there, right? So you see this could actually be, will actually do this and then continue to the downside, or it could just be giving us this, these higher highs and higher lows, another higher high and high. Will also correct and just move to the upside. So we want to observe and see how CAD actually plays out. Then we have AUDJPY. We are looking at AUDJPY also to see how AUDJPY is going to play out in the coming weeks. So I was expecting a reaction once we got to this level over here. I was expecting a reaction, and you can see the market just move back, a very strong bullish candlestick here on the daily time frame. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see what is going on over there. What you can see on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that very strong movement to the upside. Okay, let's just take this one out so that it becomes a bit clear for us, like that. Okay, very strong. I'm looking for buying opportunities because you see there are all these these gaps that that need to be filled. Okay, these gaps that need to be filled, even though this market has been giving us a lower lows and lower highs. You can see it's been actually been moving lower lows and lower high, and see that this could actually play out all the way to this level over here. Okay, yeah, so I'm saying that you can see that there is also this sort of like a descending structure that was actually forming over here. See that? I want to see how this is gonna react. If it's gonna break out, you can actually just break out, then give a resistance, then move to the upside, or this could actually come back again, give us another double bottom at this particular level, then move to the move to the upside. So that was actually on the 4 hour time frame, and we want to see how this structure looks on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see that on the 1 hour time frame, we're actually at we are actually at that particular trend line. If you draw this trend line, yeah, because it's trying to break out. It's trying to break out on that level. This is massive. You can see it's trying to break out, and then if you go lower to the lower time frame, you see that this could actually also be it could also give us something like this, give you a pattern, then just a comeback. So we want to observe and see how it reacts at this level over here. But as you can see, it's actually trying to break out. Once it gives us a confirmation, then let's say you enter your buys over here, then maybe place your stop loss below this wick over here around 30p. First target is 4.35, and definitely second target is around 6.26. All right, then let's look at our last pair, which is AUDCHF. Amazing, amazing AUDCHF. Let's start from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, you can see that we had a breakout. The market has come all the way to this level over here, and definitely I was expecting some reaction. So you can see that this is the 4-hour time frame, and the reason why I placed this tool over here is because I was definitely looking for or expecting to see a reaction once this market got to this level. As you can see, we had a fast reaction over here. So the two reactions is either the market will break out, okay, I've been talking about reaction, then the market will break out and continue, or the market will reverse. And you can see in the first instance, the market reverse came back again. This market will, we are actually waiting for another reaction of which it either the market could reverse or the market could actually break out. So let me first of all take this one out. All right, because what could happen is I'm now interested in here, this level over here. You can see we have seen some rejection, strong rejections here. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. This is also a possibility. If I take this one back, is this here. Look at that. Let's clone this and put it here. If you can see that, yeah, this could be a probability. All right, let's take this one out. Okay, this could be a probability, and as you can see here, once we had this breakout, we had a correction, another breakout. This market is correcting this way. We could actually be continuing to move to the downside. So we are not fixated on the fact that we are expecting a reaction here at this level. You see, we are expecting reaction at this level. It does not mean that definitely this market will just come and buy. The thing is that this market will do what? Will actually just break out and move to the downside. That is the two reactions I am talking about. So once this market breaks out, then you see that you can easily be interested maybe in sales to the downside, and definitely looking at the higher time frame. Let me take this one out and take this one out here. This is our target over there. That's our target. So we have an impulse move. We have this correction over here. So if you maybe let's say you enter at the top here, have your stop loss bit maybe around 15 there, then we are looking at a what? We are looking at a possible 8.36%. But remember, also we are watching out at the reaction of at how this market reacts to once it gets to this level over here, how it reacts. If it breaks, then we are entering there, placing our stop loss somewhere around there, and we are looking at a possible 4.06%, around 4%. So we have to cater for the probable versus the possible, because you see this one could also be acting as a what? This one could also be acting as a double bottom, market will move up, come down, then it will actually complete this setup at this level there, then give us let me show you properly. It could actually come all the way, come and complete this double bottom over here, there's small double bottom before it actually now move to the upside. So you have to consider all this when you're actually when you're trading, and we're looking at a possible even faster get around 46 pips, then we are looking at 124 pips, then we are looking at 154 pips. So we want to observe and see how this one plays out, and then we'll be interested in trading it. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and to subscribe. Remember to share. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you so much, guys.